Hello guys, welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play. Please like and subscribe. Please, 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 please.
Whoa! Uy! Gogi! First episode! First episode, mamamatay na agad. What's up guys? First episode of Minecraft Let's Play. So first, pickaxe. Gonna need some cobblestone. Our first objective for today's Minecraft episode is that we're going to find we're going to find a plains biome, and you get this. We're going to find a plains biome and make our starter base.
Why?
What do you mean why? What do you mean why? It's essential for our survival. Why you sound so sarcastic, Jam?
Real.
It's going to be night, Jam. Oh my goodness, the first night of the survival let's play. Kahit hindi ito yung first night ng survival let's play. Where are you, Jam? Where are you? Where are you? Ba't mo ko iniwan? Let's not sprint because I'm about to starve.
Right.
Let's try to find a village in order to survive. We have to find a village. We have to find a village and a plains biome. Oh, is that a village? Yo, chat, is that a village? Is that a village? Yo, that's crazy, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We found the village.
A few moments later.
Just run! Just run! Just run! Find a bed! Find a bed! Find a bed! Find a bed!
Much later.
So, we survived the first day. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. We find our first objective, the village. We need to find food. Why no food here? It looks like we're going to have to leave this place. Since this is utter garbage, I get pumpkin. So after we're looting up this village, we're gonna leave this village. Right, Jam? We're gonna leave, right, Jam?
May, ano ang tawag dito? Yung portal?
What? What did you find, Jam? What did you find? Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Whoa. So we found another portal. Whoa. Lodestone. Here, you have this. So we looted the nether portal. We migrated. We migrate to find a better land to suffice. Agreed.
Get.
Where's the bamboo? I need a bamboo. While Jamila was searching for some saplings, Clark discovered a new area. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On Skibidi Riz. 1 + 2 = 3. Yo, bamboo chat. Yo, it's a bamboo. Yes, sir. We got one of our goals for today's video, bamboos, you know what I'm saying? Basically, we have infinite fuel now, chat. Is this a W, chat? Is this a W? Yo, spam W's in the chat, bros. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we've got bamboos for days. Jam, it's going to be nighttime. Where are you? Let's sleep. Yo, chat, let's sleep, yo. Yo, bro, let's sleep, yo. Second night. For the second night, we survived. Ohio. So guys, malapit na ako mamatay doon. What?
2,000 years later.
Yo, is this a plains? Ay, hindi pala. Uy, may village. Uy, daming hay bale. Yes, sir. Whoa. Ba't why is it so gray? The weather is so gray, bruh. Kita mo ba, nag-gray? Whoa! Third day, guys. We survived. Yo! So, we decided, guys. We's gonna stay here.
While looking for a spot to build, this happens.
Wait lang nga. Uy! Jump! Oh my goodness! This is where we end today's video, guys. Okay, while Jamila is gone, guys, I will be making our starter house. Woo! Because she died. Because she's a noob. Ay, nako. Hi. Oy. Ever young. I want to be forever young. So while Jamila is gone, guys, I'll be making our starter base. Woo! Paano pa kaya, Jam, kung mag-hardcore tayo?
Day 1 pa lang.
Day 1 na basta. Ay, nasa yung jungle sapling. Oh my gosh. Wala akong pang build, guys. Ano ba to? My anxiety. Creep, ha? Cause you're noob. Noob moments. Average gameplay ni Jamila. Ooh. I need iron. Uy, may sand village. Daming village, hanep. Gulslods. Paldo. Ito ba tinatawag nilang paldo? Puwet mong makulets. I have an iron golem by my side.
Mamatay na naman ako.
Bruh. Are we dead ass right now, chat? My anxiety. Whoa! May camel! Wow, ang cute ng camel. Hi, noob ka kasi. Woo! I kill this golem. I show you how to be pro, Jam. I kill this golem cause I gagi. Ay! Takbo! Paldo! Yes, sir. And it's up 3. Nice. Alright, I can craft a pickaxe.
Wala.
Saan ka na? Ayun! Whoa! How'd you get there? Saan siya, guys? Can you spot her, guys? Guys, pa-comment nga kung nasan si Jam. Di ko siya makita eh. Ayun, nandoon. Vamanews, Jam. Vamanews. Vamanews. My anxiety. Sa'yo na to. You get, you get that. Pro, gina. We are going to be needing a cave. Ito, cave. Whoa! It's so malaki. And there's a lot of mobs. Chat. Oh my. Oh, wait lang, pro. Wag kang tatalon, pro. Kalma, pro. Kalma. My anxiety. Oh my, guys. So, guys, we found a very large cave that we're going to be exploring. I hope we don't die. Yo, pinutokan ako ng creeper. Jump, bantay me, jump. Jump. I'm gonna die. I avenged you, Jam. Okay, finding a lot of nothing here. Wow, 1 piece of iron. Nice. Okay, there's more. Paldo. Ooh, so guys, ang pangit pala ng cave na yun. It ain't even much of a
Wala ka,
cave.
no?
Uy, may iron pala dito. There's iron here. Wow, 1 piece. 1 piece. Oh my, gabi na. I think we should sleep first. Let's sleep first. Oh, creeper. Ah, man. It appears there's no more beds around here. Home, sweetie home. Tayo na. Maging forever. Tara, let's find another cave. Okay, I think, oh wow, tubig. Ang lupit ng cave. We need a cave. Like Grug, you know what I'm saying? Wow, tunnel. Wow, tunnel. Where is the cave? Ba't ka walang cave? Ha? May creeper ah! May creeper sa likod mo ah! May creeper! We need a cave. Gagabi na naman, wala pa rin cave. Cave ba to, guys? Sa tingin ko hindi to cave. Okay, cave nga, guys. Ata. Wow, dead end. Balik. Let's find a cave. Ang hirap makahanap ng cave dito. Ano ba tong world na to, Jam? Oh my goodness. Wow! Parang ano, yung ano yan, yung sa Palawan. Wow! Parang sa Palawan lang tayo, guys, oh. Wait, ayun sa gilid. Ayoko, gusto ko cave. Wow! Wala pa rin yung cave. Uy! Dark Oak! Nakahanap na tayo ng ganito. Wala pa rin cave. Nakahanap ka cave? Wala pa rin cave. Daming zombie. Mukhang cave to ata. Wait lang. So, set on point. Aray ko! Diyan pa patay! Wala, suot niya yung shit ko. Baya namatay pa ako dun. Grabe naman damage nila.
May potion yung, may spider.
O nga, lingering. Uy, ang rare yan. Lingering spider ata tawag na. Okay,
Ano gamit mo?
loot nga lang natin to. Uy, channeling. Name tag, okay. Wala. Ito, cave na ba to? Wow! Ay, wow. Ay, ang galing Balik na tayo, guys. Balik na nga tayo. Ayoko na. I think this is where we have to end the video, Jam. Okay, this is where we end the video, guys. Bye-bye.
Guys. Bye-bye.